Thikoni ni thutha wa President William Ruto kuruta watho wa arutwo othe a grade ya 10 maingĩrio thukuru. Minister wa Kithomo Migos Ogamba ugite gukinyira riu gicunje kia 92 bare igana kia arutwo ni kĩingĩrĩte thukuru na aria matigarĩire mĩciĩ. Thirikari irathie na mbere kuoya riboti ciao akiuria arutani anene matikae kũingata arutwo aria matakinyanĩirie indo iria irabatarania igana kwa igana.
We're informing the principals, and this needs to go out there very clearly, that the government has already released capitation to the schools. So if, for example, you have admitted 700 students and then you have 4 or 5 who have not paid fees or who do not have school uniforms, these 5 or 4 cannot make it impossible for you to run the school.
Migos ogete thirikari ni nyagetie mabuku gicunje kia 50 bare igana na gukinyeria muthiaini wa mweri gicunje kiu kingi ni gigukorwo gikinyaire mathukuru niguo mathomo mathiete uria matanyitwo.
As you all know, the books have also been distributed. By Friday we were at 50%. I urge the country to be calm. We are continuing the distribution of the books, and we are clear that by the end of this month each school will have the books they require for grade 10.
Kuona cukuru imwe ire na makiria ma aruto aria maretetwo kuthomera kuo, minister uyu ugite kirathi gia form 2 tondu gitire na aruto mwaka uyu nikio gikubuthika thirikari iketha njira cia kuongerera thukuru icio arutani angi.
We working with actually TSC to ensure that where the students have been selected to go into those particular subjects, they avail those teachers, because we are moving teachers around to ensure that every subject has a teacher.
Maya moketerere masibo matigeiro kibarua ya gutigirira aruto othe a grade ya 10 aria mari mĩciĩ-inĩ ni mathie thukuru. Gūtetera Inooro TV, Jetago Masi, wadia wa Mũrĩithi.
Gawika ni migao